So, hi guys. My name is Mark Kenneth Baldoque, or you can just call me Kenneth. I was born in February 17, year 2000. As of today, I am 20 years old, and as you can see in the slide are my contact details. So, a little background of mine is I was born on San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Parents background. So, my father's name is Edwin C. Baldoque. He is currently a supervisor of production and operating workers at a warehouse in Pasig City. So he graduated in Alejandro Colleges, taking BS in Electrical and Technology Management. So when I was 5 years old, my mom and dad broke up. So that's why I don't really know anything about my mom. So right now, I currently live in Area A1, Barangay Paradise 3, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. We are in a bit of the side of a mountain, so the internet connectivity here is really poor. The only network providers available in here is Globe and Smart. So PLDT, so other networks like PLDT and Converge are currently available in my area. So when I was elementary, I went to Kakawate Elementary School. Then after that, I went to Kakawate National High School from grade 7 to grade 10, and then I went to Paradise National High School for my senior high school career. So, listed in the slide are my honors achievements and awards from grade 1 to grade 12. Right now, I'm studying in Mapua, and I'm also a DOST scholar here. So my interest, the first image, as you can see, is that I love watching anime. The second is I love playing games, or online or offline games. Third is I love editing videos. So the fourth, my family runs a bonsai shop, so I really like to create bonsais or small plants. And then lastly, I like to create things. That's why I take up this course, civil engineering. So here's my Facebook profile picture. There's a link to my account, and one picture that describes me is this. This picture describes me because I am a family-oriented person. My role model is Elon Musk. In the slide, you can see are the details about his career. So currently, he's the second richest person. So what I like about him is that the way he think. He always think about the future. That's why he always think about the future, and he focuses on technology and space. So my personal vision. My goal is simple. I want to pursue my dream to become an engineer and become the world's richest man. I am a civil engineering student in Mapua and currently at my third year. I chose this university because I know it will help me build my future and achieve my goals in life. So course expectations. I expect this course to create an opportunity for me to improve for myself because as we know, engineering does not only require calculation abilities but also critical thinking skills, which is catered in this course. So innovations, I have four innovations. The first one is tape sockets. So this one is like an extension cord, but instead of the traditional cord, it uses tape. So it is more convenient than the traditional extension cords. Next is solar powered or smart concrete. This is a type of concrete that can charge energy when energy from the sun. Because as we know, we already have a solar powered roof. So but we didn't notice that most of the structures surface area are made of concretes. That's why I think about this innovation. Next is the recycling machine. So it's like a vending machine, but instead it lets you dispose of plastic bags or can in exchange for points. These points are then stored in beep cards and can be redeemed as discounts, voucher, or coupons. Like for example, a discount to your favorite movie theater, voucher on your favorite restaurant, or a coupon on an online shop. So with this, we can minimize the plastic. Uh, we can minimize the trash desalinating suction. So this is the last one. This is this suction. What I what I mean about this is that it's like a packet size suction that removes salt from seawater to make it drinkable. As we all know, we already have a suction for dirty water, so it filters the dirt from the water to make it drinkable. But this it removes salt from seawater, so to make it drinkable.